Today, we will talk about how to make a seed bomb. Let's have a look at the details. Seed bombs, also known as seed balls, aren't always the domain of guerrilla gardeners. They're actually a great way to propagate seeds, especially on a large scale or in poor soils. Using richer soil balls gives the seeds a head start and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. Here's a simple way to go. The first method is regular seed bombs. Buy or harvest your seeds. Buy or harvest quality seeds that you know will grow well over a large area or in poor soils without needing too much attention. Don't choose any plants that will cause ecological or other damage, such as weeds, invasive plants, or ones that have destructive root systems. Soak the seeds for an hour or overnight in a warm, but not boiling, weak seaweed solution or compost tea. Discard any seeds that still float. Seeds that float are mostly broken or damaged seeds that won't grow or that will have weak genetic stock. Prepare the seed bombs. Purchase or secure some rich loam soil or other clay-type soils that can form a stable ball. The soil should be suitable for plants to grow in. Make sure it's not too acidic. Shape the pure loam into a golf-sized shape ball using water to make it pliable, and insert the seeds into each ball as you go, or sprinkle seeds in prior to shaping balls if easier. Allow the seed bombs to dry out for 24 hours. Arrange the seed bombs on a dry tarpaulin or on sheets of newspaper laid out in a sheltered area such as a shed. Plant the seed bombs. If you have a plot with rows already dug for planting, install a ball every few feet, then cover over with existing soil. If you'd rather store the seed bombs for a bit, keep them in a cool, dark, and dry place for no longer than several weeks. It is best to use them when fresh though, as the seeds might begin to sprout. Watch for the growth. If made correctly, the seedling will be visible within 2 to 3 weeks, or quicker in warmer conditions. The process doesn't really speed up germination time dramatically, but when the seedling starts growing it has ample nutrients directly at its roots, so will grow quicker and more healthily. And the second method is freezer bombs. Find good potting soil. Moisten heavily. Fill individual spots in an ice cube tray half full of wet dirt. Place 1, 2, 3 seeds in the middle. Cover to the top with very wet dirt. Freeze to as low a temperature as your freezer can be set for. When frozen, take out dirt/seed cubes. Dip into an organic fertilizer to lightly coat the cube. Refreeze until very cold. Take out of the freezer. Put into a small cooler with some dry ice. Go out and throw the cubes to places you want your plants to grow. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.